What's up guys, and welcome back to the Jorphany channel. Today we are doing our 1 year review after going full out and living a lifestyle of plant-based.
Yeah, so just to backtrack, so I got sick, really, and Jorge had been kind of saying, like, we should, go plant-based, but I was like, you're crazy, I love Korean barbecue and ribs and whatnot, and so, little by little, we started implementing it a little bit more, eating more greens, kind of being a little more mindful. But then I got really sick. If you guys don't know or follow us, I got rheumatoid arthritis with Sjogren's. So then everything went downhill. And long story short, doctor said you have to go plant-based essentially. And so we did. And so I was like back into life. I felt great again. And then I was like, oh, well, we could have meat just a little bit once in a while. And so I started not following the diet, and sure enough, my health kind of spiraled right down where we started. So then I was like, okay, like this has to be a lifestyle change if I want to live a full, vibrant life. I don't want to feel pain. I don't want to feel inflammation. I don't want to feel exhaustion. I don't want to feel like crap, really. So then so that's when we went like full on. So it's actually been a year now, and we are going to do a review on how awesome it's been.
Yeah guys, so personally I feel lighter, right? Because I'm not consuming as many like of the obviously, like, a lot of meat, they put a lot of like hormones and steroids and just the negative energy that the animals carry, just because obviously they're about to be slaughtered. I'm not consuming that anymore, so naturally I have better energy. I feel better spiritually, mentally, physically, in every aspect of my life, and I have, more importantly, high levels of energy. So that's how I feel.
Yeah, and then also for me, it's easier to cook, really. At first I was like, well, I can't eat anything, it's impossible. But no, actually it's been easier, it's faster, and I feel so much better. Like literally just doing our green juice every morning, knowing that when you consume meat, when you consume animal products, like it takes a whole army to be able to like digest that and process that. But when you're eating easy, clean, like ingredients, like your body thrives off of that, and there's not so much energy spent trying to just digest that.
Exactly. And we've also have inspired a bunch of our friends and family to also make the full transition to plant-based. So that's been amazing, because now when we have gatherings or parties, like, guess what? There's plant-based options a lot of the time, because now there's more of us. So they're like, oh, let's make, the meat foods, but hey, let's make these for the vegans. So that's been really cool. Yeah. So even with some of our friends, they'll be like, oh, look, it's a birthday and there's regular cake, but we also brought like plant-based cupcakes for you guys. So that's been really cool.
Yeah, so that, and then like just clarity. Do you feel clarity? I feel like totally. Your mind isn't like, after you eat, you get like food coma. Yeah, like it's not even about that. It's like, I don't know. And then like you crave more fruits. Like right now I'm into peaches and papayas. Like I just want to eat. Like I went to the store the other day and I wanted that for a snack. Weird. Like the more you eat it, the more you crave it.
So that's how we feel, guys. We feel amazing. We're excited to start a family soon and to have vegan babies.
Yeah.
So then we'll start making like what our vegan baby ate in a day type of videos and stuff like that. So that's been really exciting. And even like when I go visit my mom, I'll be like, all right, Mom, remember not to put any of my friends on my food. And she laughs, but like she understands. And it's cool because when I eat plant-based with her, she'll eat plant-based too. So yeah,
so it's been that. We're actually, I feel like, at first I was like, oh, I'm gonna lose like all my muscle and stuff, but knowing that if you implement the right type of foods, like there's gonna be no protein deficiency, and no, you don't spend more money, because we're like, oh, it's expensive to be vegan, and no, it's not.
It's more expensive to get sick from shitty food.
That's true.
So you either pay for it in the front end or quadruple the expense in the back. In the back end, it's an expense. In the front end, it's an investment.
Yeah, so look at it like facts, just straight up facts. Like a pound of meat, how much does that cost? As opposed to like some rice and beans and avocado. Like really, it doesn't even, But it's again about like just learning, and also we've created new friends, like new group of friends through the vegan world. Like people that we've never, I don't think would have ever like kind of became friends with. Like they're our friends, and we've even traveled with some of them. So it's been really, really cool to travel with people who are also on the same like page.
And again, the two things that really helped us make the full transition and make it a lot easier is number one, educating ourselves about what to eat and how to eat it, or how to veganize the meals that we normally have. And number two, creating a circle of friends that have the same common vision and interest in regards to plant-based and learning from each other. So those two things have been a huge game changer.
Yep, so that's pretty much our year review. And then again, we also have our course, so we'll link it below, where we've learned to veganize just about everything. I'm Salvadorian, so I love pupusas, so I've learned how to veganize that. Like, taquitos, flautas, like we've learned there is ways to enjoy your food and not ingest all that nastiness. So it's been awesome. It's been a great journey, and we're excited still.
All right, guys. So yeah, check out our course in the description and the link below. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification so you guys could be notified every time we upload a video. And comment below with any questions. We love interacting with you guys.
All right, see you guys later.